Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Sam. So we'll be taking a look at blocks.io. You know, a lot of people just come to blocks.io to check transactions. Type in any name and then check. But there are a lot of things the blocks.io can do. Lots of things. Sometimes I call blocks.io the cap of EOS, right? And I'll tell you why. But it's not just the coin market cap of EOS, it's the voting tool of EOS, it's the it has so many things, so many tools attached to it. Right, so once you come to blocks.io, the first thing you see are the top block producers. Yeah, that's the first thing you see, and then the price of EOS within the past 7 days, and a little calculator here. You can calculate how many kilobytes of RAM you can get for any amount of EOS you have, right? So you can search for account name, public keys, it has market cap, price of EOS, and some other information, right? You can also vote. You can vote for block purchases. It has a wallet. This is just like the scatter desktop wallet that we know, right? Okay, all right. So if you want to vote for block producers, first of all, you have to connect your scatter to this to blocks.io, and so you can vote, right? So you can filter by name. Let's say you want to vote for EOS Nation, so you type EOS Nation, and they are currently a standby block producer, and then you can select and vote. Right, so it's actually that easy. Right, there's a cool feature in this tool that I would like to show you guys, and I think this is it. Right, so you can actually do a grab. Okay, let's just try it out. So I have to connect my scatter to this. Okay, so this is it. You click link identity, and we are connecting through scatter, right? So I already have scatter installed. If you don't have scatter, I'll drop a link in the description so you can learn how to use scatter, right? So that should link up within seconds. All right, so it has been linked up, right? Now let's try a grabbing and see how we can do that. So you can transfer tokens here. Like I said, this is just like the Greymass tool, right? Okay, let's go to, of course, we know what transfer is, to transfer from one person to another. Air grabbing. Now, if you don't know what air grabbing is a process where you pay for the RAM. It's just like the opposite of airdrop. Airdrop, the dApp developers or the owner of the dApp or the dApp community pay for the RAM for the airdrop. But in air grab, you have to pay for the RAM yourself. So there are currently 5 tokens to be air grabbed right now, and the cost of these 5 tokens will be about 240 bytes. And remember, when we started the video, we saw where we could calculate how much it costs for how to calculate each kilobyte, right? So that's actually very easy. So this is how to air grab. So I'm paying for the RAM. You see, pay for the RAM. So once you do that, you're air grabbing, right? So that is a very cool feature. All right, so that's air grabbing. Where do we stop? Okay, you can easily create accounts. You can change permissions, right? It's very easy. You just put the new owner key and the new active key, and then you change permissions for your account. You can cancel a deferred transaction. So what you need to do is add the transaction ID, the part, and the account name you want to cancel. Right, so manual refund. And also there's a cool feature that I saw, and I haven't tried that out. I'll try it out in this video. You can actually put or picture in your username. So I'm trying this for the first time. So I have a link to a picture. I'm going to add it right now and create a profile. All right, so I've added the URL to the picture or to my image, right? And and this is my Telegram username, right? So they actually gave how they want the URL to be. For I'm trying this on if it to be accepted. All right, so let's click create account and see if that works. Okay, so this is loading up. Sorry, my laptop is a bit slow, but we'll get it done. Accepting. Let's see if the image is going to change. I'm trying this for the first time, guys. All right, so it says success. Your profile was successfully created. Check the updated profile at Hayden, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna click that and see if that particular image format is gonna appear. Okay, I think it wasn't accepted because there are different image formats, right? So what I'm going to do is excuse me, so I'm going to try another image link format, and I'm sure I'm going to get the right one. So this is a link to my Telegram. Let's see if I click that, if it's going to take me to Telegram. And I think it's taking me to Telegram. So yeah, it is. Now that is really cool, right? So all I just need to do is get the right URL to use. So there are different URL here, or I'll try using another website to create the URL link. So basically that's how it works. I think this tool is a very useful tool. It can be used for several things, and you can use it to vote, you can use it to transfer tokens, you can use it to check live transactions, you can use it to check contracts and all. Alright, so that's what I have for you guys today. So also don't forget, you can like I said, it has something like a coin market cap, but just for US tokens, right? So wow, US Black is #1, man. So US Black was a few hours ago, it was about 5. Hope I'm correct, but right now it's really going up. I really don't know why, but it's all good. I think someone made a video earlier, some few hours ago, and said he's selling all of his US Black tokens. I really don't know why he's selling, but I need to read more about this US Black and see why it's pumping this much. I think the only thing that this tool right here is lacking is the ability to give us the price charts of each of these tokens, because and a website to each of these tokens, because if you click there's nothing here you can click. The only thing you can click is a contract, right? This, and then to just show you the name of the account. But this is like a coin market cap of USDAP, right? So this is the market capitalization. This is the price in USD of one US. This is the price in EOS, and according to Crypto Donker, this is 0.049. This is 0.049, or should we say 49,000 Larima. How many decimals are we using? 1, 2, 3. So you just count and then you know how we're gonna call it. Larima is like the smallest units of an EOS tokens. All right. So if these guys can actually make this clickable, well, we can click it and then we'll see. Or maybe just drop a small chart bar there where we can see the price movement of these tokens. It's really be great. All right, so if you click the contracts there, you click where the road contracts, you won't see the name of the website. So how do you read more about this token US Black? There's currently, no, I don't think this is it. Right, so it has no, I think the information here is incomplete, so we should be able to see a link maybe somewhere around here, and then maybe just click website and then go, it's now load on another page, and then you can read about that project, right? So and also adding a small price chart in the so-called market cap of EOS. That tab will really go a long way. All right, so that's that about what I want to share this morning. I think this is really useful. Okay, this was what I was talking about. Maybe they could create a column here and then I add a price chart movement, right? So, and then add a website so we can check what the token is all about. Because right now we're just in US Black, but there's no a novice can read what US Black is all about because there's no websites. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. See you. We'll meet again.